Primarily the waste bucket that we use is for our waste transfer facility. As material comes in, it's a convenience center. People come in, they'll dump on the floor. The loader will go up, push it down into the pit, load it into the trailer, and then close down with the attachment, and then be able to get down into that tunnel a little bit and tamp the material down, which is very beneficial for us. It helps us out a lot. It's a live load tunnel. The trailer pulls in and we load over the top, and so that bucket actually needs to go down into that trailer and tamp down that material. So a lot of that was the length of the bucket. We were trying to reach out a little bit further, so it really helps with that. That extended time to where we could really get down and grab on, which has helped us out tremendously in moving material. There's times where we have to stockpile, we don't have the trailers available, and then as soon as the trailers come in, it's go time. So moving that material has helped out a ton. The length of that bucket is huge for us. The overall size is, yeah, you take the width, the wheelbase side to side, but the length and how far that's able to extend out, those tines coming down, the pressure that gives on being able to crunch up. Like our facility, we bring in construction and demolition material, MSW, commercial waste, everything. But you go in on some of that construction and demo, this wood, the pallets, it'll just sit there and mulch it up. It's great.